In this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you how you can redirect a Namecheap domain to another website domain. So the first thing we need to do is head over to namecheap.com, log into our account, and then from here you can then go to account in the top right hand corner, select dashboard, and then once we click on dashboard, you want to head down to domain list. And then you want to go to the domain that you want to redirect. So for example, I will choose this one right here. So howtoonline.org. Click on manage. So once we are on the domain option right here, you now need to scroll down until you see the option for redirect domain, which is around here. What we want to do now is we want to click on add redirect. And then you now want to enter in your custom domain. So what you can do is go to the top. You can copy and paste your domain into this box right here. Paste this in, and then the destination URL, for me, I will choose YouTube in this video example. So you want to type in http://youtube.com. Once you have done this, you can then click on accept right here to save changes on the tick icon. So we're not done right yet. What we now need to do is we can click on add redirect. And what we now need to do is we need to put in www.howtoonline.org. And then you now want to go ahead over to here and then put in http://youtube.com again. To confirm this, click on save changes. And then once you save changes, this might not work straight away, so you may need to wait in order for this to finalize. And then once you have waited a couple of hours, what you will then be able to do is redirect to that specific website. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.